Well students, topic of the video is trigonometry. In the last video discussed 2 sums on trigonometry, MCQ sums on trigonometry. There is another sum. If y equals to 1 plus tan a into 1 minus tan b, where a minus b equals to pi by 4, then the value of y plus 1 whole to the power y plus 1 is 27, 64, 4 or 125. Now see that if we apply the formula tan a minus b, then we get, since a minus b equals to pi by 4, that implies tan of a minus b is equals to tan pi by 4. So tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b is equals to tan pi by 4 is tan 45 and tan 45 is 1. Then tan a minus tan b is equals to 1 plus tan a tan b. Then taking in the left hand side, or we can write y equals to 1 plus tan a into 1 minus tan b. By multiplying these two, we get 1 into 1 minus tan b is 1 minus tan b, and tan a into 1 minus tan b is tan a minus tan b. Now you see that tan a minus tan b is equals to 1 plus tan a tan b. By putting this value on this, or this line can be written as 1 plus tan a minus tan b, like this line, minus tan a tan b. Now tan a minus tan b is equals to 1 plus tan a tan b. By putting this 1 plus tan a tan b in the place of tan a minus tan b, and minus tan a tan b. This one is minus tan a tan b. By cancellation these two, tan a plus tan a tan b minus tan a tan b, this line becomes 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So therefore y plus 1 whole to the power y plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 1. This one is 3 to the power 3, and 3 to the power 3 is 27. So option A is correct. Next sum, if x equal to y cos 2 pi by 3 equal to z cos 4 pi by 3, then xy plus yz plus zx is equals to 4 by 3, 1, minus 1 or 0. Let x equal y cos 2 pi by 3 equal z cos 4 pi by 3 is equals to 1 by k. Therefore k 1 by k equal to x, and y cos 2 pi by 3, or we can write 1 by x equals to k, or 1 by y is equals to k cos 2 pi by 3, and cos 2 pi by 3 is cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree is cos 90 plus 30. So cos 90 plus 30 lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, so there is negative minus k. 90 into 1, that is odd multiple of 90. So 90 into 1, so cos changed to its complement. Complement of cos is sine, so it becomes sine 30. Sine 30 is half, so minus k by 2. And z cos 4 pi by 3 equals to 1 by k. So 1 by z equals to k cos 4 pi by 3. K cos 4 pi by 3, that is 60 into 4, 240, cos 240. K cos 240 can be written as 90 into 2 plus 60. So 90 into 2 plus 60, that is lies in third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, so this one is minus k. 90 into 2, that is even. For even, cos remains cos, so it becomes cos 60 degree. So minus k by 2, cos 60 is half, so minus k by 2. So if you write this one, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, this one becomes k minus k by 2 minus k by 2. So LCM of these three terms is equals to x, y, z. In the numerator, this one is y, z, y, this is x, z plus x, y is equals to 0, because k by 2 is k, so k minus k is 0. So sum of these three is x, y plus y, z plus z x is equals to 0. So option D is the right answer of this sum.